Welcome everybody to Basketball Day in the DMV. Working inside, Cam Moore delivers on a great alley-oop. We're going to be talking about that for years to come.
Oh yeah. Guys come here, the first thing they notice is that there are a lot of serious ballers here in the DMV.
I got my policy paid up. I got my spectacles on so I can see exactly what happened. Right. I have protective eye covering.
And the lead down to 17. Lob up top and the flush down hard from Charles Thomas.
And that's how you break the press.
It's a hotbed for talent in this area.
Not only get some of the best teams in the DMV in this area, but you get some of the best teams in the country.